Good morning all. Yes, sir. Huge news today. Let's get it. Morning. Hope we're all well. Let me check all systems go here. We look good. All systems do look go, but I just need to double check. You know what it's like. All right. We look good. Shout out to the traders. Shout out to you, brother. Good morning, gang. First stream for you. Nice. You can start the stream now. Well, I decided to start it. Yes, indeed. All systems go. Yep. Morning all. Hope we're all well. All right, big news day today. Let's have a look at what's going on. Let's have an analysis. Let's do the business, right? So let's remove drawings here at the moment. Start on the daily time frame, and guess what? Nothing new. We're still stuck in the daily. Yeah, YouTube business will be later, but still stuck in the daily range. We end up closing previous daily candle bearish, still respecting this low and this low. Current daily has no bottom wick, so, or a nipple wick, you know. I think, you know, we can classify it as a nipple wick, and at any time that this can basically flip. And if this flips, we could probably get a wick fill down and probably continue down to the support. Have to worry about this zone first, which we will look at when we basically look at the 4-hour zone here, right? So today is big news. We will talk about news in a minute here. It is CPI news, which is a measure of inflation, which is going to be drastically important for the for pound continuing here in the future. So let's have a look at 4 hours. So previous daily bearish, previous 4 hours, we do have two candles closing bullish here, currently working on a third one. But where are we sitting? Right at 4-hour resistance. So we need to get above 4-hour resistance to be able to take buys. We bring back our drawings, we can start to adjust them and move them nicely, right? So this is a previous 4-hour support. I want to see if this is still relevant. So I'm just going to write this as Prev, just so I know what it is. Our current 4-hour support zone is going to be down here. So I can move this down here like this, right? And put this 4-hour support. And then our 4-hour resistance is up here above 500. And we do have another resistance here. So let's have a look at the 1 hour. Is this, yeah, this is like our range high. So we can just mark this as, you know, 1 hour as well, right? /1 hour /1 hour. Right? And yeah, 4 hour, this is all 4-hour resistance here. So this whole zone is a difficult zone to trade in. We know that. We just looked at that. This zone here is relevant anymore. I mean, you could argue something like that as long as we're above there. Below here, yeah, it looks like we have some nice ranges. Yeah, this zone here is very dangerous. This is where everyone's going to try buy. But we know that 4-hour resistance is lurking right here, right? So our 4-hour resistance is lurking here. Let's go have a look. Yeah, so maybe above that might be better. What's our range above that? 9 pips and then 16 pips. And then above this is pretty clean, right? I mean, what is it from here to here? Let's have a look at this. 7 pips from there to there. Interesting. See what that is on a 30-minute. Yeah, so above here is pretty clean. You have a clean shot here. 16 pips. And then up to here, 27 pips. So yeah, if we do get above this 4-hour resistance, I think it will be okay for buys here. Where's our daily? Yeah, daily resistance. That is also daily resistance. Perfect. So that's what that is right there. So safe buys are going to be above the daily resistance, and early buys are going to be from the 4-hour to the daily resistance, which seems like a good idea. All subjective to news, right? So we have news here at what time? 10 a.m., right? So news in 20 minutes here. So let's write that on here. News in 20 minutes, right? Well, I just put 10 a.m. because you guys have a clock now, right? So now you guys have a clock. You can have a look at that. So we just put that up. There we go. So let's have a look at news. So they're expecting inflation to come down from 8.7 to 8.2. Do I think it will come out as expected? Yes, I do think it should hopefully come out as expected. Why? Because of the very aggressive rate hike that we saw last time, right? We saw last time they made a very aggressive rate hike 0.75% increase, which was huge. Actually 0.5, sorry, which was a huge jump, right? They were expecting 0.25. Instead they did a 0.75, which is a lot bigger. And that should have an impact on inflation. And if we don't see that impact inflation, boy oh boy, is that bad for the UK economy, right? So if we see this come back worse than expected, I expect to see a short-term pump up in pound, and then maybe we start to see a retracement and pound start to dump down, and we start to see that retrace just based on the negative standpoint of the economy. So this will be key and very, very, very interesting to see what this comes out as. And I'm definitely going to be interested to see what the results are and how, you know, that impacts the market. Hopefully that this data can get us out of this range and we can start trading maybe back towards the upside with the hopes of increasing inflation interest rates, which is obviously positive for the pound but negative for the economy. So we might see a reaction of, okay, it's positive for the pound because we know we're going to have future rate hikes, but it's negative for the UK economy. So this is not something that I want to be, you know, this is where we might see the negativity come back into the pound. So definitely very, very, very interesting. And yeah, it's going to be important news today to see how that plays out and what happens, right? As for gold, yesterday, nice pump up. Yesterday we were trying to take buys in this zone in New York session with the group. We were taking buys around here, pumped up. I got break even, and then later on continued, and I called it a day. I was quite tired, and I didn't catch this. This was a bit late for me, but the idea played out. This was the move I was looking for this random wick to get filled and continue above the 4-hour high. Yesterday in the group, Agon, he was discussing safest buys will be above the 4-hour high. And what happened yesterday? It's very clean buys above 4-hour high yesterday. Close above the 4-hour high. Easy continuation towards the upside. Thunderstorms for days. And that was that. Now, the issue we have is that to try counter trend sell this, it is an option. But the problem we have here is we're sitting at this support. So until the support is broken, there's no real counter trend sells. And really, after news like this, trying to retrace the whole news move is not normally what happens. So previous daily has closed bullish above the range. If anything, I'll be looking for continuation on gold, which would be better, possibly above this 4-hour high. The unfortunate thing is we broke out of this messy range and brought us back where to a new messy range. So we're at these very tough 4-hour resistance here. We have a, you know, this is quite a tough zone here, this 4-hour resistance around in this zone here, right? So that's our 4-hour resistance where we are at the moment. And yeah, we basically want to get above there, is where buys will be easier above there. But what you could do is trade to the 4-hour resistance. So if we do get closes above here, we could reach this spot there, which would be interesting to see and set up for New York. If this ends up finding its way towards the downside, New York could be a good opportunity to trade from here back towards the upside, and that could be quite nice to see that actually happen, to take buys from that zone, right? So that's what I would populate on gold here. And yeah. So yeah, that's the analysis for the morning. We have 200 people in here. Appreciate everyone showing up. We have 29 likes. You know the YouTube business. Now I'm going to ask for the YouTube business. You know, it's part of the game. Whoever's shown up to the streams frequently know the YouTube business. If you are enjoying the stream and enjoyed the analysis, leave a like. If we could get up to 100 likes, really would appreciate it. I know it sucks to say, and you guys are sick of it, but it's part of the game. You know the YouTube business. UK is cooking? Yes, indeed. Morning, morning. Win analysis? Yes, sir. Does GBP news affect gold? Depends if they want to. Normally you'd see actually the money go into the yen and a bit of gold. So yes, it could pump gold up bullish. Just ask, we forget. Yeah, I know. That's why I have to ask. That's why I just call it the YouTube business. It's not something, you know, it's part of YouTube. Every YouTube channel you watch, especially the big boys, they always ask for it. And that's why they're the big boys. So it's just part of a game, right? And it shows me that you guys are liking it, and you know that, you know, we keep the engagement high and your stuff like this. I saw your comment, bro. You were never banned. It's just we have moderators in the chat, and the moderators might time you out or something. But that's not me. I don't have time to ban. What country are you in? I'm in Dubai. I am in Dubai. That's what country I am in. Think sales make sense below 4 hour. 181.329. Close back in the range. Be at first target. Why would you say sales make sense? Based on just daily? Based on just daily, I'd probably say it sells below 200. 181, 200 make more sense for me. What's happening to gold? Nothing's happening to gold. Gold is doing fine. Gold looking nice for buys. Yeah, if it can close above this range, this is where, if it's gonna reject, it's gonna reject here. Somewhere around here. I think best buys on gold is gonna be when the daily flips above 1979, 152. See what we got here, Antonio. Yeah, that's an option. Just problem, news is in 10 minutes. So you are either going to get to break even pretty fast. But I don't like all of these wicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this candle is still respecting. So you need to break this wick. Or let's have a look at the 5 minute. And see if we can get... Yeah, a 5 minute closing above could be an option. In 2 minutes here. Or you take it just breaking the high. But with news in 10 minutes, I rather sit out. Because that's where we see inconsistency. But definitely an option. I would have taken this without news. Yeah, break of the highs. Yeah, definitely makes sense. Target here first, probably. Max target up there. Break even at this wick here. This would be a good break even spot. Somewhere here. These are that's your last sign of rejection, right? So that's where you'd want to go break even. Yep. Typical grab to 180, 500. GBP is going to pump. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised to see a pump up first before a dump back down. Gold pump yesterday due to... Oh, okay, thanks. I appreciate that. Yeah, I'm not liking those wicks. Yeah, I just don't like how close it is to news. 10 minutes, it doesn't give me much time, but it is definitely an option here. I mean, if this 5 closes above those wicks and the next one breaks the high, that's your safest option here. Right? This 5 minute closing in 1 minute. If it closes like this and you take it, but again, your first target's going to be 5 pips. Is it worth 5 pips? That's up to you to make a decision. For me, before news, I don't have to rush into anything. Today is a very big day on news. And I want to make sure that I fully understand what's going on in the market. Morning, thanks once again. Everyone must appreciate the valuable content. And I like it. Really encourage you guys to spread the valuable content to those in need. Appreciate you, brother. I'm glad you like it. Bro, big fan. Honest, if a retail trader generally makes money, I am sick of losing. But I need someone like you, an elite trader, to give me a brutal, honest answer. I'll give you brutal, honest answers. For sure. But remember, you're a retail trader. I'm not an elite trader. I'm just a retail trader. And that's it. I scalp don't really look at daily at 4 hour at the most. You have to look at daily at 4 hours. It's how you find your zones. Otherwise, you're going to scalp into 4 hour resistance and lose your trade and wonder why you lost. Reason you lost is because you bought into 4 hour resistance. Antonio, I'd go break even at this point here. No point of losing this trade. This looks like a big push, guys, but don't be fooled. This is 8 pips only. Right? There we go. That's nice. First time, may I know how do I address you? How you address me? Address me as Harry. Address me as Tradesharpe. How much money did you expense to learn to trade? Overall expense? I don't know. I didn't calculate it. I was not stupid like many people and just put money into a live account when I didn't know what I was doing. My first deposit into a live account was a 5-figure deposit. It was no joke. So I'm not going to be stupid with 5 figures. Do you think the strategy works on crypto and Bitcoin? Of course it works on crypto and Bitcoin. We have people who trade that daily using that strategy, right? You can see here in crypto chat using the same strategy. It's very effective in crypto and Bitcoin. You don't follow the structure? I do follow the structure, but I follow bias more importantly, because structure can change. Yep, technical analysis and price action does work on everything. Why don't you open Telegram, bro? Telegram is open, but I don't like Telegram. I have a Telegram group, but I rather everyone join Discord. Much better, much more value, because look, in Discord, right, on my free Discord, I have resources. You guys can find old resources. Look how much free stuff there is in here. Document checklist, how to become a successful trader, your trading plan template, trade tracker, free price action PDF, strategy examples, stream journal, right? Come on, let's get the reactions up on this stream journal. At least 30 reactions. Come on, guys, let's get it. I know you guys are in the Discord. Get the fires up. Come on, stream journal is a really useful resource. All the trades I take in here, right? With the method. Look at all my trades that we discuss on stream is posted in here with MetaTrader examples. I mean, it's all there, transparent, and for you guys to see. That's why I like Discord, right? And you also get the stream journal, right? With the time that the trade was taken on stream, and you know how the trade looked, and you can see it on stream, what setup it was, win or loss in pips, all of that stuff. Can you look at NZD USD? I think you can go lower. Many thanks. Do I have NZD USD? I'll quickly look while GJ's pumping here. Before news, this is very fishy. Very fishy. Before news. I wouldn't be surprised to see news dump it. Yeah, I think NZD USD. Yeah, sells do make sense. But only till this 4-hour support down here. So be careful. Once you reach that 4-hour support, that's your. But yeah, sells do make sense. It's just losing momentum at the moment. You secured or you still holding, Antonio? Yeah, there you go. Exact time I asked, huh? Measured it and I'm like, I think he should be out. Let's get it, let's get it. How should we be looking for buys? Yeah, if news doesn't do anything crazy, then yeah. Who teach you price action trading? Multiple. Is that Google Sheets? Yes. So no trade today? No, there is going to be trades today. But I'm waiting for news. News is in 5 minutes, guys. You guys are so impatient. You see a move on the chart, it's not my move. I don't want to risk $1,000 and then news inconsistently comes. This candle, you cannot predict long term before news. To get a candle like this every time before news, because most people don't put volume in the markets before news because they want to wait for news after that. All Harry's flour? Well, yeah, I'm waiting for the pizza. You can deal with the flour, I'll eat the pizza. Bro, Calvin, brother, relax. You're very aggressive. Relax. Predict EA, tell us. Ask nicely. Hey man, do you mind looking at EA for me? Then maybe I'll feel like, yeah, or maybe, yeah, I can. What time frames do you mark support and resistance? All time frames. Starting from the weekly down to the daily, then from daily to 4 hour, then 1 hour 30-minute. Do you mind looking at EA? Yes, I do mind, because you didn't ask nicely. So there we go. Now you don't get to see it. Look what happened now. Damn, this line must have been from 3 years ago. 3 years ago, I was using blue lines. Yeah, so we're at daily resistance. Not the best place to buy, man. 4 hour is trying to... Yeah, this is a rough spot you are at on EA. I think for EA, you need to pull back to the zone. Anything leaving this zone should be okay to take buys, waiting for support to be created. Counter, trend sells, pullbacks to continue down. That's the simplest way. So way of saying Italian, someone's flower in the bag is a common way. Oh, thank you, thank you. Can you give us analysis on Dubai woman? Oh, that's a very complicated topic, brother. That you can't analyze. Oof, you have to react. You can't analyze, you have to react. You have to be very reactive, fast. Like this. Can you check AU? Let Crest send AU analysis right now. Send AU analysis in chat. No TA on those creatures. Do you go to gym? Yes, sir. Big part of. What did he say, man? Come on, bro. No, it's highly illegal, Mohammed. Highly illegal. I just looked at EA, man. Damn. Can we see those move again? Yeah, that's really how you have to be. $350 people in here. Appreciate everyone showing up. You know the YouTube business. Leave a like. Let's get to 200 likes. Let's go. 200 likes for news in 1 minute here. 1 minute. Are you ready for the pump or dump? Big news. Oh, Antonio, you should have left a runner, man. Just go, like, break even. If this thing pumps 100 pips, you're gonna cry now. Watch. Watch Antonio cry now. If this pumps. Fuck it, bro. Full power. Let's see. 30 seconds. Send 2% balance. Nice. Up or down? Let's see, up or down. People are saying bullish. I say push up and then reject. Absolute dump. Let's see. Twos are incoming or what? Greetings from Panama. Yes, sir. Welcome. Okay, here we go. Damn. Oh. Yes, sir. Sheesh. This is why I didn't want to trade before news, right? This is what I want to avoid. I told you it's fishy the move up. Damn. What this probably came out. Wait, without looking at it, this probably came out either extremely negative or better than expected. Come on, show me. Right? So it's either really negative or better than expected. What are we saying? 7.9, yep, better than expected. Alright, that's good. So it did work, it did work. That's very good for the GBP. Buy now, I know, right? It's actually tempting, man. But the reason we saw pound dump with positive news is because this means less interest rates in the future, and that means less strength in the pound. $10K easy? Depends. Damn, look at this dump. So, do you guys understand? You guys understand why this is dumping? Yeah, you're good you were out, huh? This will be a 100 pip move. Yeah, he would have got slipped 100%. Man would have triggered somewhere down here. So this daily flip, we break this daily low. Rejecting the top of the range, this could be finally what brings us down now. Spread was up to 26 pips? Yeah, exactly, man. Imagine you enter a trade and you're 26 pips in drawdown because of spread. That's crazy to think about. What is spread right now? Let's have a look. Yeah, it's 2 pips at the moment. 2 pip spread. Not that bad. Damn, sniper close, huh? Yes, sir. Sniper close. Gold should have popped up, right? Gold popped up bullish. Let's see gold, yeah. Damn, retrace the news. Look at that. I expect this to probably come back down again. Now it's just going a bit mad, moving mad. How many spots you got left in your Discord community? I'm really planning to join. When are you planning to join, man? When are you planning to join? If it closes below resistance, are you planning to... Yeah, $1.8 per day. Made 250 in 15 secs. Damn, man. Right now, it's still open, but by the end of this stream, it will be closed. So if you're gonna join, then join. You're very welcome. And then it's closed till the end of the month. I'm supposed to put the wait list up today. So it's closed till the end of the month. So you'll be the last, man, until next month. And then everyone will have to wait on the waiting list. Should I join? It's up to you. If you want the value, you're always welcome. As long as you're going to be open-minded and you're welcome to come and share your ideas. As long as you're not there to hate, you're welcome, brother. Less than a Starbucks coffee a day. But the problem is you can't join because it's going to be closed till next week. Not next week, till next month, so... Guys, don't FOMO into this move. Come on, guys. Don't be playing on 1 minute time frame here. Don't get slapped. Look, this is what I said. Look at the beginning of the Zoom chat. Can you guys see this? Good morning. Big push today with news, I feel. Buy now? No, no, no. What happened to the market? Dump on every pair? Gbp news came out. I should make an AM prediction system? Yeah, it would probably work. Obviously. No, sometimes really, man. Sometimes... Yeah, CPI, yeah. It is obvious to expect a big move. But actually, the last CPI we had did nothing. If you go back and see the last CPI, it did nothing. It's just because we're finally getting down below this 4-hour support, but we're rejecting it now at the moment. Because if we were to get below it, right, then this type of zone is okay to sell. Resistance below. Now we just need to wait for more information here. As soon as we get more information, we can take trades. 9 minutes ago till what? 9 minutes ago. Yeah, it is a very strong zone. But you see, it's not going up, it's not going down. It's kind of rejecting and then rejecting the top side. So it's very hard to do anything at the moment. These 1 minute candles are how big? 36 pips? Pretty good. Let the news run out. 9 minutes to go till what? What's the most percent you made in a month? Around like 25%. 25% of the starting balance for that month. Here it goes. Hi from New Zealand. Welcome, welcome. .5 and 1% risk? No, 2 and 3% risk to do that. Average monthly gain? If you were to average it, I would say around 10%, 8%. Last month was 8%. This month I'm up around 5-6%. So we'll see how it finishes. Am I in? In what? In for a sell? No way. Just trying to set up something here. I was supposed to do it yesterday. Didn't do it yesterday. Trying to set it up now. Look at this dumping. Alright, so for sells. Yeah, this 15 needs to close. And then this 1 hour resistance. Previous. I think clean shot below this 1 hour resistance here looks okay. Down to here. 4 hour range low is just a higher time frame zone. We have 12 pip wick fill and then 18 pip target. So I think below here should be good actually. It will be below this resistance. Yeah, I like the idea of that. Problem is stops. Is that your monthly trade? No, that's not monthly trade. Had to apply alternative method. Got no problem. No, it's not because it convert. Ryan, are you in US or in Europe? In Germany? Oh, it should work. Don't worry, after stream I'll check, man. And then it's closed. Then it's closed for till next month. It should work, man. Maybe because you're using American Express or Amex or something. This is a clean 1 minute option. 22 pips, that's not bad. Gold? Yeah, gold's in a interesting spot at the moment. It's a bit high. You want to trade to this 4 hour resistance, so yeah, it's a bit tough at the moment to try look for buys. You probably need a pullback to continue. Look, respecting that previous zone, right? How to join Discord? That's a link in the description. Free Discord community. Also comes in chat. Also, if you do exclamation socials. Yes, I am in the UAE. I'm in Dubai. Think GJ will go down to 179? It's possible. Don't chase? Yeah, 100%. If I come to Dubai, can I pull up on you? Depends. If you also just call your bank, they'll approve the transaction. Depends what card you're using. Sometimes Stripe does not accept Amex or American. No. Yeah, Amex a card. These guys call me every single day. Should I do a stream marketing call? Every day I get called from these guys on stream. Every day I get this call. Marketing company trying to sell me insurance for my car. Let me answer and see. Wait. That's too late. It ended. It ended. I was gonna play a prank, but it just ended the call. Damn. What card you have? I told you guys, you have to figure it out. What card do you think this is? Look at this video where I'm sitting in the car. Also look at this video where I'm sitting in the car and guess what car it is. My bank thinks. DJ long? No, I don't think long is a good idea. At the moment. Yeah, next time. I wanted to prank them. But this is a fat 15-minute close, so... Alright, we'll take sells here and we'll put stop loss as per the rules above the previous 15 candle. Only 123 pips stop. Should have no issues. And we'll target 10 pips. Oh, it's fine. What's the most volatile GBP news? Yeah, interest rate decision and probably inflation rates. $16 pips below, yeah, that could be an option, yeah. Does make sense. I'm pretty sure GJ will go up and down, almost can guarantee it. Lol. What are the best times to trade in the day? From now till around 12:30, and then from 3:30 till around 6. Max TP whole number level? Yeah, probably. Makes sense that. Well, like just, you know, intraday TP. Today, any trade or not? Yeah, it should be. Are you driving a BMW? No, it's not a BMW. Alright, last member, the group is closed till next month. Congrats whoever owns in it. Porsche GT3, they don't give me allocation Porsche GT3. You need to get allocation. You can't just buy a Porsche GT3. Otherwise, you have to pay like $100,000 over sticker. Work Binance card got accepted? Amazing. Well, now the group's closed. Last member of this month will open tomorrow. Are you in any trade? No, not at the moment. I've been profitable on a demo for the past 2 weeks. Should I switch to a real or wait a little to settle? Trade at least on a demo for 2 months. If you can prove you're profitable for at least a month and a half, yeah, a month and a half should be fine. Then look to switch to live. If you go to in the group, Ryan, if you go to live room, you can join the Zoom. Is the car a popular brand? It definitely is a popular brand, yes. Do you have a video that explains the wick fills? Of course. Where is it? I have without wicks if you want, and this one, rejection wick versus wick fill. That explains it. Tesla? No, ugh, not a Tesla. Not a G. You guys can't get it. Guys can't get it. It's not a Japanese brand car. Come on, don't fool them. Don't fool them. It's not a Japanese. It's a German brand car. Okay, let me tell you. I'll give you a big hint. It's the same brand that makes Lamborghini. Right? It's the same brand that makes Lamborghini. There you go. Happy? That should give it away. Oh, someone got it in chat. Someone got it in chat. No, no. Aaron got it in chat. Audi, yes. A mini Euros. It's a mini Euros. No, it's an RSQ3. Not a G-Wagon. I'm not paying $270,000 for a G-Wagon. Maybe. But I rather buy a car that I can enjoy on track if I'm gonna spend that type of money. Right? I don't buy cars for flex reasons. I buy cars for enjoyment. Damn beautiful car, nicer than a G-Wagon. Appreciate it, appreciate it. I like the mini Euros idea. Yeah, it's pretty. You look like the RSQ3? Well, I hope that's a good car. I buy cheap car and choose them. I do have a project car as well. You drive on the track? Yeah, but I don't have a track car. I want to get into that. I do have a project car as well. Here, a really popular project car is Nissan Patrol. They have the same engine as an R34, but it's torquier. Exact same engine it looks like from Nissan. So we modify, put a turbo and stuff like that. Is Lucid out in Dubai? I think someone has it here, I'm pretty sure. But they don't have a distributor here. I'm not sure about that. I'm in a buy. Yeah, you should wait, man. I don't think there's enough confirmation at the moment. London session gold. Let's have a look. Gold just pushed down at the moment now. So this is a very heavy push. This is why I said buying here was tough, right? It's ranging at the moment. Even selling now is hard because the range has become small. No, I don't like a track hawk. Yeah, just ignore that one. That's just in case. That's in case someone uses the same email with multiple accounts. Then you have to make sure to claim that account, right? It's just to stop people duplicating that message, Ryan. As long as you verify yourself by putting the code that was sent to you, you'll have access to all channels. And then you can join the Zoom, right? So once you verify, you'll have access to the channel. And then you go to live room. Once you go to live room, you'll have the Zoom link. You can join. But remember, if you turn on your camera, it will be public. Alright folks, to your YouTube business. Yeah, that would be cool if you guys could do some more YouTube business. 157 likes. We can get this up to 200. Easy. 200, and then hopefully GJ gives us a trade below this 1 hour resistance. If this 5 minute can close below here, it looks good. What's the timer for? That's a clock, brother. That's a clock. I refuse to trade these conditions. Smart decision, brother. Smart decision. Can you please check xauusd? It's a great pair to trade. I would stick to pairs that many people are trading so you can cross-reference your analysis, right? Modified cars? No, they're not legal in Dubai. They're not legal, but still do it. You read backwards? Thank you. I would like to see you jump on stream every single day, interact with chat, be helpful, be useful before dropping a comment like that, right, man? Simple thing, man. Almost 400 people. Yeah, we almost reached. I think stream record is 480, 490. We need to, if we hit 500, I'll give away a free membership. If we hit 500, I'll give away free membership. You can't even put stickers on car in India. I use raw account, brother. I use raw account. What's the like record? 300. 300 is the like record. But that was after, so I think on stream was like 290 like record. Isn't the stream record? No, that was a bot attack. Someone bot attacked us. Damn, 992 is back. So the real one was I think 490 or 480, something like that. Do you have any video on how to manage running trades? We normally, I think this is the best video on how to manage running trades because we do it live. So watch back the live streams. Go to my stream journal, which you can find in what's this called, in Discord, and watch back the trades that we take in 10 10 10 11:05. There's a clock. You guys have a clock next to my image right there. Maybe am I pointing the right way or the wrong way? I don't know. Am I here or here? Where should it be? This way or this way? I don't know which way it should be. Yeah, it's this way. So you guys have a clock right here above me, and you can just check the trades, right, and see how I manage them. We have the strictest rule for car modifications, but our roads are so bad you don't even like to drive on them. Yeah, it's a shame. Can I have a copy of Excel sheet? Join the Discord. Link is in the description. Free group to join. You should be joining it anyways. It's a good place to be. Right? And then once you join, go to resources. And that's it. Very simple. Right here. Just click it and then you can have a look. Uh-oh. I'm not going to open this right now. Not opening this right now. This is my car. What is it? No, I'm not gonna download it. I wish there's a different way you can send it. A video of an RSQ3. You can see it in the reflection. Look, if you guys want to be very picky, look. First of all, that's inside the car. You can see it. Right? You guys have to use. You have to use. Look at this. Be smart. You see it? Look. You see it? You can see it. That's the car, right? You can see it driving next to it. Alright, that's your hint. Enough cars. It's not relevant. Cars is not going to make you guys profitable. Cars is something you enjoy with your profits. So make profits first. Mini Cooper S. Nah, I'm good, man. Is it not available in the US? Oh, damn. It's a pretty cool car. The RS3 I find a little bit small. Before burning 250k, I was not reasoning in money, I was reasoning in R8s. Yeah. R8's cool. I was yeah, R8s are pretty cool. RS3 is too small, I agree. That's why I didn't like it. I don't like hatchbacks. Actually, I like what's this called? Slightly big. I like the G-Wagon, but it's too expensive for what you get. 340i BMW, yeah, nice one. Or you can get an old BMW E36. That's even cool. Read that post about the Porsche. Read that post about the Porsche. Do you like the old R32? Yeah, I love it. Great engine. I have a Nissan Patrol, and that has basically the same engine as that. What's the plan for today? Possibly potential sells below this previous 1 hour resistance. At the moment, we're doing nothing. We're doing nothing at the moment. Gold is sitting at support. I mean, maybe we can look to catch a retracement on gold here. This might be interesting. We need a nice strong close below here on a 5-minute pullback, and maybe we can look. So we'll keep an eye on gold here. If GJ is going to do nothing, we'll look at gold. RB26, yeah, but this engine's called the TB48. Check it out. Check out the TB48. RB26 or 2JZ? Damn, that's a tough question. I think they have both the amazing strengths. I think they're two drastically different engines that have amazing strengths in different places. Next car, MG1, just $3.25 million. Harry, will you ever move up your risk again? Yeah, for sure. I do need to do that. I'm planning to do that. At the moment, I'm preparing for something as well. So my hobby and that outside of trading is causing a lot of stress, and it's a lot of thing preparing for something. So it's non-trading related, but it, you know, once that is done, I'll probably up the risk. Next year for sure, I'm gonna up the risk. For sure, I'll up the risk next year. That I do anyways. Yearly, I always up the risk anyways. Mandatory. Good luck. Wish you the best. Appreciate it. Thanks for changing your name. How much have you built up your account? I don't build accounts. I just withdraw money when I need them. Not need it, but when I want to use it or just put it in my account. I don't make a big deal out of it. I do not make a big deal out of it. But I trade on a 5-figure account because I don't want to keep more than 5 figures in a broker. Simply that reason. And I can just risk 3% and it's fine. Account size 1 million. If there was someone I could trust, an amazing broker, maybe. But not $1 million, is too much. How much money you started with? $25,000 was my first ever deposit live account. It was too much though to handle in the beginning. Idea was just to risk 1%. 1% of 250,000 is 250. So I was happy to risk 250 bucks. And I thought, okay, if I'm going to be safe with risk, I better put 25 grand in there. So I put 25 grand. Then I'm like, actually, I don't need that much money. Current broker, I use IC markets. Is trading your main income? Yeah, one of my main sources of income, yes. It's not my primary income. No, not primary. Not my only income. It is a primary source. Did you blow it? No, I didn't. I had all of the discipline skills. I came from crypto investing. I was not playing games, right? I was not here just to waste money, blow money. I didn't have a gambling mindset. I was very safe with 25 grand. Very safe with. I was risking $250 with a 25 grand account. You guys risk $250 with an $800 account. So, you know, so I told myself I don't need 25 grand in an account. Let me withdraw some and then practice with that. I think after I lost like two grand right off the bat. But it took me around 3-4 months to lose 2 grand. I was up and then down, then up and then down. And then I said, okay, I need to practice a bit more. So I withdrew the account and then made my lot size around 0.5 lots. And then just traded with 0.5s and got better at the skill and then increased it. How old are you? 22. Advice to traders who don't have, find someone that you can trust, right? And stick to what has worked for them and make sure that you just stick to your strategy. Right? You have to stick to the strategy and don't let noise around you distract you from that, right? You have to just focus on one skill for at least 6 months, right? And make sure it's proven. I'm gonna put 10% amount in broker. I don't trust those brokers. Yeah, that's fair, you know. Yeah, below this 1 hour resistance looks good if this candle can close. Reason for dump? News. Did you try binary? No, I didn't. Before trading, did you have a job? No, I immediately went into crypto and put all the money that I had in crypto. And I had hustles. I was doing shoe reselling. I used to resell shoes. And it was really that was a great business back then, man. I remember I used to I bought I think 20 Yeezys and sold them all for double profit, you know, so double how I got. And then I would get, you know, Travis Scott shoes and stuff like that. That Travis Scott shoes was super hype back in the day, super hype. Yeah, I'm looking at gold price. Don't worry, brother. I see gold price. 4 minutes till the candle close anyways. We can't do anything till this candle closes. We need the 15 to close below. Yeah, GJ is also going down. Close below here should be good. They still have limited stock, but everyone's trying to resell. I still have some shoes back here, man. I can show you guys. I have a off-white, you know, a lot of off-white Jordans. Are you planning to open a shoe? No, I stopped that a long time ago. And I went into crypto. That was when I was like 17, 18. That was when I was still in school. I was doing that business. Then I reinvested and put all my money in crypto and stuff. And then I spent a lot of that money stupidly. I wish I put everything in crypto, but I spent a lot of that money. I bought myself modifications for a car. How much are women to rent in Dubai? Come on, man. That's for a different stream. That you have to join the private group. Sneaker game pretty dead at the moment. Yeah, it's saturated as hell. You used to have 20 autofill bots taking your Supreme orders and getting all shipped to a PO box. Amazing. My autofill bots never worked. Soul.aio. That's what I was using. Soul.aio. You probably know it. Could never get that shit to work. Because I was in Dubai, so I had to... since I was in Dubai, I had to make a virtual server in US. Born and raised in Dubai? Yes, sir. I have rental property and I rent. I rent, yes. Do you take people who is not aiming for money but really learning? I think that's an amazing mindset which will make you more money than looking just to earn, right? Looking just to earn, I think if you are someone who is looking just to learn, then you're probably going to earn more money than people who are just looking to come in here with money and make money immediately. How come your English is so good? Because I have British parents. How many friends have you lost since you became a trader? All. Since I started business and trading and everything, all, basically. Closes in a minute here. This looks good. Because they don't understand gold and I don't have time. I'm focusing on other things, right? I have a lot of goals and I don't want to be spending money going out with friends, and if they don't understand my goals, then there's nothing I can do. I have you know, 1 or 2 close friends, but that's about it. You need a very big top wick on the next candle. This is how you trade gold in London. You can't just go off the rip. Very risky to go off the rip. Your stop loss here is also going to be a big stop loss. You're looking at a 25 pip stop loss. What can you do? Best advice for... Yo, Mahesh, stop sending this message, brother. Come on. Best advice for beginners, stick to one strategy and focus on that strategy socially. Right? And make sure it's a trusted strategy. This is open, no bottom wick. It does look pretty nice here, I have to agree. I think breaking the lows is a nice sell option here to continue bearish. Stop loss is quite big though. So if this can pull up and make a nice top wick up to 1974, I will personally take this trade. If not, then I'll just give the trade signal that breaking this low could be a nice option. Break even will be this spot right here, right? But for my rules, personally trading gold in London, I want to see a bigger top wick. But if you guys want to take this, you take it at the break of the low as this candle flips. It does look pretty good. GJ is flying. Yeah, it's pushing up here nicely. What I would like to see is some sort of support formed. A nice support formed, and then we can continue up bullish. So to see this candle close bearish and the next one close bullish will be great. I don't really like gold. No, you won't like gold because it moves weird. Trading is a lonely business. Yeah, that's why I like to build communities. Just entrepreneurship is a lonely business, right? No one wants to help you when you're an entrepreneur. No one wants to see you succeed. Anytime you tell someone idea to your friends, they'll be like, yeah, it's a great idea. This is an amazing idea. But when it comes to reality, no one will want to help you. It's all up to you. Everything's up to you. No one cares about you. You are nobody, right? In reality, you are nobody. So it's all up to you. You can't sit there and say, oh, no one's helping me. It's hard. Yeah, it's hard for me too. It's hard for everyone. So either you get your shit together and just push on, and you make sacrifices. You have to make sacrifices without regret. And this is how it works. You can't just expect, for them to be handing envelopes out there. What other businesses are you in? Investment, real estate, and I have a few projects on the side, but they don't pay me just yet. Best asset is real estate. It's good. It's a safe asset, but there's better. I think renting real estate. Wow, renting real estate is great. This is a mad zone, huh? Mad zone. I could not even take change of structure, huh? Even this did not close above. Yeah, this is impossible to get into. Impossible. 1 minute doesn't even. Now it's very simple plan, guys. All we have to do is wait for a pullback. As soon as that support is created, we can look to continue and retrace this news move. I quite like this. Yeah, this looks good if that can happen. Why I plan to move? I was waiting for a small close setup 4. Now it's flying without me. Yeah, I know, right? This is typical. But if you didn't plan, if we didn't have an entry, then we didn't miss the move. It's just, we see these moves all the time. It happened yesterday, bigger. Look at this. So, just this happening today, we can get it tomorrow. What do you think of liquor drinking? I don't drink, and I don't think it's a healthy habit. I think socially, if you want to be sociable, yes. But if you want to be someone who's a hard worker, entrepreneur, it's going to not impact your life in a positive way. Especially if you care about eating healthy. People who eat healthy, work out, have a good fitness regime are going to be miles ahead of people who are not. Just the way that their brain works, the way that their body works is, your brain can't work if your body is not at optimal function, Where TP for GJ long? Probably will be this previous 4-hour support. Gold buy needs to get above the range. Health is a lifestyle? Yes, indeed. Yeah, it is pushing. I'm looking at the price here. Are you in GJ? Not yet. Nothing has been for me. Some people I know took buys from here. Which if that followed your plan, then good. But I didn't want to buy below this 4-hour support. And this close back inside 4-hour support was great. But I wanted some sort of pullback. This 5-minute candle opened, no bottom wick. No top wick on the last, and just started pushing. So now for me to take buys, I need to wait for some sort of support to continue up, and that's just how I'll do it. News wouldn't be an LTA, so you'd have to look back. what would be, yeah, exactly, you'd have to look back. But if we break back, let's say above 181, man, you can see these were like clean. We break back into the range and we just expect price to fill the range. But you're right, especially if we get a nice pullback set up too, we can use this LTA here. You have to have patience to make money. Yeah, exactly, 100%. That's why it says pay, right? You forgot the T. But yeah, patience is my biggest source of income. You have to be patient, and if it doesn't follow my setup, then there's no trade. Simple as that. Trust me, at the end of the month, if you compare, like, listen, this month I think we've taken 4 wins, right? So let's say 3 wins with the 1 loss we took, which was actually a win, right? So if we've done that, you know, if you risked, imagine you risked $1,000, you're up already $5,000, almost $4,000 for the month, easily, you know. And this is summer month when GJ has been in a really crap range. This is not easy conditions to trade. Most people, I can guarantee most people are not profitable month in this range this month. Guaranteed. Not a profitable month for many people. And whoever's in chat saying they're having a profitable month, be true to yourself. Because I know at one point when I was trading GJ back in the day and I would do this, it was tough for me. It was tough. Gold setup 4. Yeah, that's potential. How do you know setup 4? Guys, if you haven't already, follow the Instagram. Get that Instagram up to 2K. I post content on there a lot, updates about trades and stuff like that. I would appreciate if you could drop a follow and you can keep updated on the stories. It's for your benefit, right? I'm posting value on there. I'm posting short form content. So it's just as beneficial, right? So if you want quick tips or just to see, you know, me live updates and stuff, then definitely follow me on Instagram. Link is in description. Also underneath the screen right here at Tradesharpe. Would appreciate it. Do you have a video talking about the setups? Yeah, I do. Check this 4-step strategy video, right? And then use the link in the description to find the video of the setup, which is this one right here. Top 3 price action setups. Just sub to the Insta? Yes, sir. The reels are fire. Thanks. I'm glad you like the content, man. We put a lot of effort into that. Like there's really a lot of effort goes into the reels. Like these are good. Why did I start trading? How I manage my time. You know, these are all, and they're only like 20-second longs. Really good short content that is straight to the point and that can help. You know, why it works. All this type of stuff. The trade recaps, these are great. Right? These trade recaps are great. And then I update on my story, so check it out. When can we sell? I don't think sells make sense till we get below here. Otherwise, you're going to play in this range. But this range is a very heavy rejection spot that you can see a lot of moves towards the upside from here. So I rather look for a pullback to continue bullish. What happened with gold? Yep. Do you have TikTok? Yeah, I do, but algorithm doesn't help me on TikTok. I post on there, but don't get many views. Why is July a bad month for trading? Just the summer months are a little bit slow. So how it works, this is something I'm going to teach you guys and you have to understand. I don't care what these guys on Instagram tell you, these hype traders, these furus, you know, fake gurus. These furus, they'll tell you, oh, best month, best month. You can get, right? You can get amazing results, okay, in these months on one or two amazing trades. And that's what I look to do. I look to catch one or two amazing trades in the month, which makes your whole month, or have an amazing week, which makes your whole month, right? That's your goal as a trader. But you should be going really hard on February, March, April, May. This year was crazy. Last month was amazing. It moved very heavy price, right? And your goal is to hit those months heavy and then use these months to slowly continue growing your capital and preserve it. And that's how investors do it. That's how your institutions do it, is because what they look to do is that they preserve capitals during the summer months to make sure going into next year you're financially positioned. So this, you should be going hard in the months where the markets are moving very fast and quick, and these months is about slowly growing your capital and being consistent. Consistency is key in these months. We're not trying to hit home runs every single time, right? We're not trying to catch big home runs, force heavy trades. It's about slowly growing your capital in these months. That's the best way to approach it. August is even more terrible. Yeah, it gets slower and slower, but again, that's why it's good for you guys to be on the stream, because you'll see how do you preserve capital and still manage to grow it when months are difficult. Because this is where many people fail. If you look at a cycle, go and speak to any brokerage, go and speak, even the best traders on their brokerage end their years break even. And when you look at the analytics of when they end their years break even, they're giving back money in the summer months. They make a lot of money in the beginning of the year and then they start to give money back in the summer months. And the reason you see that is because when the markets start to become a little bit choppy, a little bit more sideways, they still have the mindset that they had when the markets were trending hard and trending fast, and they think, hey, I can keep pushing, I can keep making money really easily, right? And what happens is that they start giving money back, and slowly their balance starts to creep down without them noticing it, because they're like, oh, I made 15k, I can lose. Then they lose 1k, then they lose 2k, then they win a trade, then they lose another 2k, and it's slowly going down and they're giving money back. Where in reality, what you should be looking is to take, even, I'll tell you guys this, listen to this, and you guys will not, I hope you don't disagree with this, but let's say you took 3 good trades per week, risking $100, which is not a difficult thing, and most of you could eventually get there. If you took 3 good trades risking $100, you make extra income of $300 a week. How many people in chat right now would like to make $300 a week extra income? Right? I'm sure a lot of people would like to make that. And that's not by risking too much, that's only risking $100. Probably all, right? But in your head, to make money, how many people right now in chat to make money are taking 3 trades a day? I said 3 trades a week will make you $300 a week extra money. 3 trades a week. But you guys are taking 3 trades a day. You see the difference? And you're giving back money to the market. That's not how it should work. That's not how it should work. Right? So now you scale up, because now you only may be trading with very small risk, making $1, $2, maybe $10. So you want to take more trades. But those bad habits you're building now, if you start risking 1,000, it's going to be drastically different. Because if I take 3 good trades and risk $1,000, right? I make $3,000 per week extra. $3,000 per week. Even in a trade, I can make $3,000 in one trade. There's no other job that can give you that opportunity. But you have to be conservative with it. Right? Stop being fooled by social media and all of these people setting unrealistic expectations. I just made 20k in a day. I just made 50k in a day. First of all, you don't know their financial position. They could have so much money that they don't. 50k is like $500 to them, or 5,000, right? Second of all, some of them might be fake. And most of them are fake. And I can guarantee most are fake. Because if I made $25,000, I wouldn't trade for the rest of the month, you know, and maybe I would slowly scale, you know. $25,000 in one trade. I would just then look to reduce risk and build that slowly. 5-minute buy above 189. I think, yeah, makes sense. Maybe even just 180, but that does make sense. I still haven't taken a trade this week, so didn't take. Yeah, that's totally fine, man. That's totally fine. We've taken 3 trades this week, right? So we've been active. 3 trades this week. So all of you guys sitting in stream, oh, he doesn't take trades. We've taken 3 trades, guys. So please don't come and tell me that we don't take trades. Do you know Mamba FX? Yeah, I think he's a YouTuber, right? Well, yeah, I know. I've seen his pop up on YouTube. I don't know much about him though. Not looked into him. Don't know how he trades, what he does, who he is. What do you think of TJ? I don't know who he is. I'll tell you a simple way. If you want to know my opinion, about someone else, this is the exact same way I'm going to look at them is the way you guys should look. Go and look at them, right? Does the information they talk about make sense to you? If it doesn't make sense to you, then they're trying to hide something and make it complicated. It shouldn't be complicated that you don't understand. You should be able to understand the basic information they give. Second of all, are they giving you a big amount of information for free? If they're hiding information, that's not good. They're probably trying to sell you something or sell you a course to get that information, which is not how it should be these days. You should be paying for their time, not for their information, right? And you should be paying for maybe their personal information on personalized questions, but that's basically paying for their time. The third thing you need to check is, okay, whatever the way they're trading, is it consistent? And do you see proof of consistency? So for me, let's say we have a live stream. I trade it live in front of everyone every day, right? What I trade is in front of you. You know, it's live. You guys can see it. There's a track record. Everything is there. So you have to say, okay, does this guy have somewhere where I can see that there's consistency and it's done recently, right? And then after that, do you like the person? Can you explain your strategy in 1 minute? Yes, my strategy is to trade price action. I trade what's in front of me. I react to the market, not predict the market. I look to trade from zone to zone, utilizing session bias, daily higher time frame candle markups, right? Top-down analysis, and range-to-range trading based on clean candles. Thank you very much. You're an example of a consistent trader. Tried my best. That's my goal, is to keep consistent. That's the best I can do, is to keep consistent. My goal is not to make the biggest trade, 1000 pip trade, 150 pip trade every day. My goal is to keep consistent, because consistency what pays you. It's like having a profitable business, right? You need the customers to maintain profitable. Any running trade at this time? No, not at the moment. Before finding you, I saw like 20 idiotic streams. Sorry, but you sound like Raja. I like you both. Well, I'm not planning to sound like him. I think we're very different, to be honest. Did you learn from Don Vo? No. But he is a price action trader. I know he streams New York. And I'll tell you one thing, guys. And this is what we need to change in the Forex industry. If someone trades similar to someone, just because that guy is popular, doesn't mean that's his strategy. Right? If someone trades similar to me, doesn't mean that's my strategy. It's like going to the gym and someone's doing a bench press and you go to that guy saying, hey, you copied me. Did you learn from me? right? Don't copy me. Don't teach your friend how to do a bench press because you're copying me. I taught you how to do a bench press. No, it's stupid. Price action traders should trade similar. If all price action traders are trading differently, we have a problem because that means there is variance. We don't want variance in trading. We want harmony. Called Lemon? No, not heard of it. Damn, GJ. GJ's like watching paint dry. Gold is like faking out at the moment. Big wicks, big stop losses, not really tradable. Yeah, not the best. Have you taken any trade? Yeah, brother, you missed it. We took 3 trades. Amazing trade. 3 amazing trades. You missed it, brother. You missed it. Morning ATR. Morning ATR. Oh no, I was answering the guy in the chat. Talking facts, I appreciate it. Every day we have this conversation. Yeah, we have it every day. Yeah, these times when we're not taking trades, you actually get more education when we're not taking trades. And unfortunately, the people who are just sitting here waiting to take trades, they're going to fail long term in this game. What's my opinion on all of that stuff? I don't trade using those stuff. It's fine. A little bit higher doesn't make a difference, man. Doesn't make any difference. You're good. You're all good. So now what I want to see is I want to see price reject and then come back to the upside. Again, sells is only going to come below here. Setup number 5? Where is setup number 5? Your opinion on the best Forex prop firm? No opinion. Stick to the big guys. FTMO. Who's big? I only know FTMO. Oh shit. Just spilled all my water. Shit. And I don't have water tissue up here. I blame GJ. One sec, I spilled water everywhere. One sec. What's your daily routine on a trading day like? That's a great question. Let me make an Instagram video on that. Daily routine as a trader. Let me take a picture of that to remind me, and I'll make an Instagram on that. There we go. Alright guys, I think I'm going to leave you guys with the plan now. It's going to take some time for price to do anything at the moment. And what we need is we need a price either to close below this previous 1 hour resistance here, right? So it will take some time for that to happen. We need probably the next 15-30 minutes for that to happen. The next trade that we can take is anything closing bullish here above this 4 hour support. You can look buys to tap into here and potentially continue to the upside here. So I think that's the plan on GJ. That's what I'm personally going to wait for to happen, and it's going to take a while for that to set up. So until that happens, I think it's a waiting game. It's a waiting game. So I'm going to leave you guys with the plan. So I want to see if you guys execute on the plan. If you guys don't, it means that you're in the stream and you're just taking signals which you're never going to learn. If you guys do take the trade, right, then that means that you're actually learning. And I want you guys to post that up. I want you guys to post that up where? I want you to post it up in Discord. So any trade you take, post it up in Discord, right? And let's see it. Let's see it. All right, guys? So watch this candle close here. This candle closing like this is not good enough to take a sell because the stop loss here is 44 pips. I'm not running a 44 pip stop loss. That's why I need to wait, right? That's why I need to wait. 44 pip stop loss is not fun for me, right? For only a 15 pip target. 15 pip target for 44 pip stop loss, no thank you. So yeah, they're not the best option, right? That's why I'm not really comfortable taking it. And yeah, that being said, guys, appreciate everyone showing up to stream today. A news day, don't expect to be jumping in positions all the time. It's always like this on a news day. So if you're here saying, oh, he doesn't take trades, then fine, don't show up, you know. But in reality, we do take a lot of trades and we take quality, right? It's about quality. So that being said, appreciate everyone showing up today. I really do appreciate it. And I hope to catch you guys on future streams. If you find this valuable, be sure to subscribe so you can join for future streams. If you're not subscribed, you won't know when we go live. You won't know when I post a video. So just subscribe. And yeah, I would appreciate that. So with that being said, appreciate everyone showing up. And yeah, take care and hopefully catch you guys very, very soon. Peace.